Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of social media and content quality. We'll explore how the quality of content affects user engagement on various platforms. But first, let's understand why this research topic is essential. Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 1 of a research paper comprises several key components. It begins with an introduction that introduces the research problem, offering context and background information to help readers understand the topic's relevance. Following this, the chapter delves into the research's significance and justification, explaining why the study is important and how it contributes to the field or society at large. Finally, Chapter 1 outlines the research objectives and questions, laying out the specific goals and inquiries that will guide the study, providing a clear sense of direction for the research. Research problem. The research problem we're addressing is this: with the explosion of content on social media, how do the quality aspects like visuals, storytelling, and accuracy impact user engagement in terms of likes, shares, and comments? Research significance. This research is significant because in today's digital age, businesses, creators, and even individuals rely on social media to reach their audiences. Understanding what makes content engaging can lead to more effective strategies, wider reach, and greater impact. Research questions. We'll be exploring three main research questions. How does the quality of visuals influence user engagement on social media? What role does storytelling play in driving likes, shares, and comments? Does content accuracy affect user trust and engagement? Research objectives. Our research objectives are: to assess the impact of visual quality on user engagement, to analyze the relationship between storytelling and user interactions, to determine the effect of content accuracy on user trust and engagement. Research rationale. Here's an example of research rationale. As social media becomes a primary mode of communication, understanding the factors that drive user engagement is crucial for marketers, content creators, and platform algorithms. This research will provide actionable insights. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Chapter 2, the Literature Review, involves an extensive examination of existing scholarly literature related to the research topic, including theories, models, and empirical studies, to establish the theoretical framework for the study. It also identifies gaps in the current knowledge base, helping to justify the need for the research and guiding the study's direction. In this chapter, we'll explore various subtopics, including the impact of visual content quality on engagement, for an example analyzing how high-quality images increased engagement in an Instagram campaign. The role of storytelling in content engagement, for an example investigating how brands like Nike leverage compelling narratives for social media success. Content accuracy and user trust, for an example studying the consequences of misinformation on platforms like Twitter. Additionally, some theories and models relevant to this research are: the elaboration likelihood model. This theory explains how users engage based on the depth of content processing. The social identity theory. This theory helps understand how content aligns with a user's identity, affecting engagement. Identifying literature gap. When drafting your literature review, be sure to identify gaps in existing research. For instance, there might be limited research on the combined effect of visuals, storytelling, and accuracy on engagement. Chapter 3, Methodology. Chapter 3, the methodology, outlines the research design and approach, including the conceptual framework that defines key variables, the research philosophy guiding the study, and the specific research methods employed. It also discusses ethical considerations, limitations, and delimitations of the research, providing a comprehensive overview of how the study will be conducted. Conceptual framework. Independent variables of this research can be visual quality, storytelling, content accuracy, and on the other hand dependent variable in user engagement. Research philosophy. The chosen research philosophy for this study is positivism, which emphasizes the collection of objective and measurable data on user engagement. This philosophy aligns with the research's aim to quantify and analyze user interactions on social media platforms. Research approach. The research approach employed is deductive. This involves starting with established theories related to content quality and user engagement and formulating hypotheses based on these theories. The deductive approach ensures a structured and theory-driven investigation. Data analysis. Data analysis for this research will primarily be quantitative in nature. Statistical methods, such as regression analysis, will be utilized to analyze the collected numerical engagement data. These techniques will help uncover relationships and patterns within the data. Ethical considerations. Ethical considerations are of paramount importance in this research. Researchers will ensure that participants provide informed consent for the use of their data, following ethical guidelines and principles similar to Facebook's data use policy. This ensures the protection of participants' rights and data privacy. Chapter 4, Data Analysis. Chapter 4, Data Analysis, should align with your chosen methodology. For quantitative analysis, consider sample size calculation based on statistical power analysis. For qualitative analysis, determine sample size based on data saturation. Chapter 5, Conclusion. Chapter 5, the conclusion, is crucial as it summarizes your findings and their implications for content creators, businesses, and platform algorithms. Chapter 6, Recommendations. Chapter 6, Recommendations, provides actionable insights based on your research. For instance, suggest that businesses invest in high-quality visuals and authentic storytelling for better engagement. Suggestions for future research. Lastly, don't forget to offer suggestions for future research areas. In our case, exploring the impact of emerging technologies like virtual reality on social media engagement could be an exciting avenue. And that wraps on analyzing the impact of content quality on user engagement in social media. We hope this video has been informative and valuable for your research journey. For a professional draft of this research, consider visiting www.ukprowriters.com and accessing the "Get Your Discounted Price Here" option. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts and questions. Until next time, stay curious.